Alrighty, what is going on, guys? Trying to continue to bring you guys content through these colder months. Myself, Patrick, and Mark have met up, and we are heading over to a mall that's fairly close to where we live that has been vacant for quite some time now, that's been abandoned. Over this past week, they actually sent in demolition crews to demolish the structures of this huge mall. So we are going to head that direction and see what kind of mischief we can get into without getting arrested. See what we can see, and hopefully we don't run over any nails or anything like that in the process and get flat tires. We were just at a stoplight, and Mark was fucking around and came up behind me and bumped my back tire, so I immediately went into a burnout. And I can't tell if there's a cop right behind him now. I hope not. The last thing I need is a reckless operation ticket. I already have, like, I don't know, 8 points, I think, on my license now. And at 12, they suspend your license, so I can't get any more tickets. There's a lake right there, pond with a ladder and a slide. Oh, yeah. Boring part of the ride. On a bright note, I don't think that's a cop behind us. Alrighty, we are really close. Do you know what they demoed? Huh? Do you know what they demoed?
I think in the backside they demoed.
So as you can tell, this is all pretty run down at this point. All right, there it is. All right, we are here. And this is where they're demoing. Whoa. Collapsing. What? All right, we are here at the demo site of Rolling Acres, and sorry I'm breathing so heavily. Getting over that wall was a little more of a chore than I had imagined. Just doing a little quick tour here of all the demo. Probably shouldn't be here, but I didn't see any no trespassing signs. I did climb a wall though. Probably shouldn't have done that. All this is demoed out. I'm not going to go underneath anything, so I don't want anything collapsing on me. There I am in the mirror. Walking in the suit. I want to go underneath this stuff, but I'm just not sure about the integrity, so I'm not going to risk that. I'm going to peek though. Alright, that all looks okay for now, as I step in a whole bunch of glass. Yeah. Oh yeah, and it goes all the way down. That all looks pretty safe, but like once again, I'm not gonna risk that. This used to be a fountain right in the middle of Rolling Acres Mall before they demoed it. Probably I have a hard hat on, right? A helmet. Legit. That used to be an entrance that they got boarded up. Not touching any wiring. That shit could be hot. Doubt it, but could be. Whole bunch of stores. This mall used to be really hopping back in the day. And then I don't really know what happened, but it just kind of fell off the face of the planet. People just stopped going. I want to say that there was a lot of mischief going on with kids and stuff, and people just didn't want to deal with it, so they just didn't go. Fire wire right there. Probably shouldn't walk under this right here. I'm gonna fucking ceiling tile come down on me. Yeah, demoing it all. Pretty cool. Pretty cool to be a demo guy. Just come in and tear shit up. No F's given. Where'd they go? Gentlemen, you can't be here. Did I scare you? All right. I slip, I'm fucking hurt, dude. Actually, hold on, I got an idea. Better idea. I'm good. Did I scratch my... It's actually pretty sweet in there. Well, I didn't walk under too much shit because I wasn't sure of the integrity of shit. But it's pretty cool. Does anyone want to go in there? No dedication to the social media, guys. Right here. We are leaving Rolling Acres Mall. Met a guy, hopefully a relationship that'll work out for some future stuff. And I know the footage is getting pretty dark here, so I'm not gonna go too much longer about this, but it's an interesting little area with all the demolition going on. As always, guys, thank you for watching the video. If you're still here, if you're still riding, stay safe out there. Enjoy the moment. Keep that rubber side down. And until the next video, we'll catch you guys later.